Is the Sámi Shamanism still practiced? And for this answer, I want to say yes, but it's not practiced in the same way as it was before colonization, obviously. So there's a lot of people who are trying to find back to those practices, because back then there weren't doctors and all of that. So the role of the Sámi Noaidi, or the role of the Noaidevuohta, is more of spiritual practice. So it's more for the spiritually interested people. Yeah, there's a lot of people who are now trying to reconnect with the Noaidevuohta, to find back to how it was practiced, and finding back to that wisdom and knowledge. And we actually have had, throughout history, we have had people who have been working with these topics throughout colonization, even if it was outlawed. So we still have some of that knowledge intact, but there's so much we still don't know about the Noaidevuohta. How I have seen it, there's a lot of similarities with the Sámi Noaidevuohta, the Sámi Shamanism, and other indigenous people's spirituality. So their shamanism as well, or animism. I have had interest in these topics since my childhood, but it's been really difficult for me to find a good way to share about this. So John Goswami and I, we made a PDF book called Tools of the Noaidi. The Noaidi is the Sámi shaman, and we're listing all the different tools that the shaman would use. So a lot of those tools are still in use today. So if those are topics you're interested in, that's one of my favorite topics.